And they're like surprised why are there people who rape girls, man. You know. Of course they rape, god damn it. They're watching all the time those girls' beautiful butts.
No pants?
No pants.
White shirt?
Yeah. Green.
Don't have it.
Okay, yellow. Then I tried that. This game is Sunito. Oh my fucking god, Chaburoy! Woo! Oh, Chaburoy, thanks for the €5. What the fuck is that? Oh my what the fuck is that? Oh my 50 fucking euros, are you kidding? Oh my fucking god, 50 euros! Oh my oh, 50 euros! 50 euros, see there! Woo! Oh my fucking god, what the fuck? Did I see that right? Oh my fucking god, hey, guys, Chaburoy made a mistake, he gave me 50 goddamn euros. Did you see that? How?
Yeah, I see that.
Oh my fucking god, guys, but where's the fucking happiness? Woohoo! Oh my fucking god, that's the biggest donation ever, guys. Oh my god,
Dickie, Alex, get ready, Chavapi.
yeah, now we're gonna eat some chivapas. Yes! Oh my fucking god, Chaburoy, what the fuck, man? I thought, okay, 5 euros, I'm happy, man, but 50 euro. Ooh.
Cover the shipping for the keychain. Oh my god.
But that's not shipping, I can send you 50 keychains, god damn it, man. Oh my god, Chaburoy, thank you very much for that. Yes! Thank you very much. Oh my god, guy. Just a moment, guys. Tell my mom. Chaburoy! Oh my god! Oh my god! I had. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hype! Donation hype! Yeah! Chaburoy! Yes! Woo! What the fuck, guys? Oh my fucking god, man!
You happy, huh?
Of course I'm happy, man. What the fuck, man?
That's nice. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's the first. Nobody donated so big to me, man. That's like the first one, man. That's the biggest donation, like one. You know, like one in the piece.
At once, yeah.
At once, man. He's like, this is for those keychains, man. I can't. I just sent like 50 keychains. You paid for all of them, man. You know. But thank you very much, Chaburoy, again. Okay, this is gonna go on YouTube, yeah, bigga. This is gonna be for YouTube. My first biggest, oh my god, 50 euros, guys. Oh my god. Okay, that fucking YouTube takes 5 euros, but doesn't matter. Chaburoy, thanks again for that. What can I say, man? You just made my heart like... I was like 5 euros, I'm happy, man, for 5 euros, you know?
Yeah, I saw the number 5, I was like, oh, that's great.
Yeah, great, man, super,
There's
man.
too many zeros.
Oh no, so what the fuck? 50? Oh my god, man. Oh my god, I told my mom, she was like, because of that you're yelling so much. She was like, что се дереш, budalo? Oh mama, I got 50 euros. Jebate 50 euros, šta se dereš? She was like, what are you yelling for? I was, mama, I got 50 euros, somebody, you're yelling for 50 euros, get the fuck out of my room, man. She was like, oh, give me some shit. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, that's for the YouTube, god damn it, man. I can't even play now. Fuck it, man. Oh my god. Millions! Millions! Oh my god, Chaburoy! Chaburoy! Yes!
Dickie, that's loud.
Thanks, man. Thanks, Chaburoy. I can't... Oh my god, I'm looking those asses. Now I can get some lap dance, man, for that shit. You know? Okay, did you check out that link I gave, Amir?
Yeah.
Do you know that left ass? The left.
Yeah.
The same like my ex, man. The same shit, man. I was banging that ass 3 years all the time. I could even pick
Something
where.
Alex would post on Facebook.
Huh?
Something Alex would post on Facebook. Pictures like that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Alex, yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Chaburoy, man. Thank you. Oh my god, you just made my day. Oh my fucking god, man. Oh my god. You wanna be mod, Chaburoy? If you wanna be mod, just tell me. I'm gonna give you the mod. If you wanna be